Hey guys, I'm a BAM Shifts, here to show you how to install your new hybrid tallboy BAM shift. So get right to it. This is a 2007 Subaru STI, so it does have the reverse lock on there that you have to pull up to get your car into reverse. So that being said, you're going to want to choose the reverse lock adapter. Cleans it up, make sure you can, access your reverse. So screw that guy right on there. This is the reverse lock adapter. It's 12 by 1.25 is the thread pitch for most Subaru manuals. So that allows you to then lift up on your reverse lock and get it into reverse. So next, take your thread adapter. This is the brass piece that comes in your package. Screw that guy all the way down. There will be a jam nut that comes with it. You don't need that for this application. So you're just going to use the brass adapter. Screw that all the way down, snug it up. For added snugness, if you want to call it that, put a drop of blue Loctite on the inside threads of this and then screw it on and it won't come off. Next, you're going to take your core, which this is the core system for the hybrid. You're going to screw that guy all the way down on top of the reverse lock. This is the white option. We also offer a couple different colors that you can see on the website. So once your core is screwed on, it's all snug, take your graphic grip and install it where you need it. The system allows you to adjust your graphic extremely easy. You just turn it and then you're going to tighten your top cap with the included screw all together so it snugs it up. If you want to swap out your graphic, that's the cool thing about this system, is you just swap out your graphic. This is the engraved comics. We have Sugar Mommy right there, and it allows you to turn your shift knob graphic wherever you want it. So if you don't want to show Mom that one, turn it around and there you go, you got Sugar Skulls. Mom can't see her. So anyway, that allows you to adjust your graphic where you need it. Take your top cap, place it on there, screw that guy, make sure you're in the right position there, and then just tighten that guy down, super snug, and there you go. The last step is the magnetic cap. These come with all the hybrid options. This is the bamboo option, and then we also offer the black option. We will have other options coming out, so stay tuned for that. But that being said, it's magnetic. Drop it on, you're good to go. If you need to take the magnetic cap off, I recommend a piece of duct tape. Just stick it on there for a minute, kind of press it on, and then just pull it right off. It allows you so you're not digging your nails in there or a knife and breaking your cap. So magnetic, sticks right on there. There you go, guys. That's the art of shifting. That's how you install your hybrid BAM shift. Thanks for watching. See you next time.